Okay, bye. That's. Oh no! Oh God!
We're here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay for Howl-O-Scream's 25th anniversary, and we're about to send someone into a haunted house.
It is cute.
I'm really excited. I love haunted houses. I love being scared because I sure do get scared.
No, he's still got. He's still gonna get me. He's still got us.
After a quick drive through the park, we lined up and got Carrie fit in a full-body scare cam rig set up by the awesome Busch Gardens media team. So you understand why Carrie or anyone will jump a lot during a scare cam. Imagine going through a dark haunted house with your vision blocked by a camera and a spotlight in your face. These are real scares, and this is the Shadows of Wonderland haunted house.
Ready, Carrie?
No. Thank you. Goodbye forever. Having fun. It is cute. It's like Alice in Wonderland-ish. Was that you? Oh, mirrors. That's myself. Oh, no. Oh, God. You're so, nope. How do I get out of here? No, he's still got. He's still gonna get me. He's still got us. Touch your head. Oh God, my head. That was good. I like that. That was good. Hey, what's up? Oh.
The Queen demands your support.
Oh, great. Oh, great. Hi. My head. I like my head. Where did that come from?
I've spent the last 10 minutes telling him there's no time.
Oh, yep, that's where that came from. Okay. Oh God. Oh. That's graphic. Oh. Just watch the murder.
Wonderland is mine!
Oh my God. Nope. That was good. Thank you.
So you survived.
I survived. I just came out of Shadows of Wonderland. It was so much fun. There were so many moments of gruesome, gory detail that Disney doesn't get to go into. And it was so much fun to see just people getting hacked away. And you saw bodies and torsos. It was a lot of fun. So many good scare moments. I had a great time. I really recommend this house.
What was the scariest thing?
The scariest thing is probably the very ending. There's something that jumps out at you that I was not expecting because I was focusing on the Queen chopping someone to bits.
Howl-O-Scream at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay has begun with screams, scares, themed food, 5 haunted houses, a themed stunt show, an all-new after-hours show called The Reckoning, 8 scare zones, and roller coaster rides in the dark. With 25 years of experience, this park is ready to bring you into your nightmares.
No!